10 facts about early sleeping. Certainly. Here are some interesting facts about sleep. Sleep is a natural state of rest for the body and mind. It is essential for overall health and well-being. Humans spend about 1/3 of their lives sleeping. On average, adults need between 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night, although individual requirements may vary. Sleep is divided into two main categories: rapid eye movement (REM) sleep and non-rapid eye movement (NREM) sleep. NREM sleep is further divided into 3 stages: N1, N2, and N3. During REM sleep, vivid dreaming commonly occurs. This stage is characterized by rapid eye movements, increased brain activity, and temporary paralysis of the muscles. NREM sleep is crucial for physical restoration, growth, and memory consolidation. The N3 stage, also known as deep sleep or slow-wave sleep, is particularly important for tissue repair and renewal. The circadian rhythm, often referred to as the body clock, regulates the sleep-wake cycle. It is influenced by external factors like light and darkness and helps maintain a regular sleep schedule. Lack of sleep, or sleep deprivation, can have numerous negative effects on cognitive function, mood, immune system, and overall health. It can impair memory, attention, and decision-making abilities.